red light flash, it's telling me that I'm currently not connected to the satellite. Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is your boy James, and this is a dad's thing, and doing just a little tech testing. And I'm just out and about, just walking around downtown, and I got my Motorola Defy with me. I have it currently attached to my cell phone. The app that I needed to be set up to is currently set up to it. And as you can see, you just saw a red light flash. You'll see it again in a second or two, but that red light flash is telling me that I'm currently not connected to the satellite. However, on the phone with the app, as you are connected, it will kind of give you a little instructions on where you need to be in regards to having the best position. So I wanted to come stand here and see if at all I'd be in a better position to get hooked up to the satellite. So I'm looking at it right now, and I'm still getting a red flash. So that means I'm not connected. And that is totally worrisome because I'm not in the woods. I'm not out somewhere where I don't have cell phone coverage and need to be connected. It's got direct access to the sky. And I should be able to connect pretty easily. So very, very defiant, for lack of a better, actually that's a perfect phrase, just being defiant and don't want to get connected to the satellite. A lot of reviews that were very, just not 100% confident in this device and how it performs. And then there was other reviews that was like, every time I needed it to work, it worked. Which, for the price, I was like, you know what? And for my need, I said I would give it a go. $50 for the device, $59 for 250 messages throughout the year. I said, you know, I really can't go wrong with how I intend on using it. Most of the times when I'm out and about on my bike, on the trails, I still have cell phone coverage. There is the one or two occasions where I don't have connectivity, and I wanted to have something with me just to give me a peace of mind that said, hey, if you are out there and for some reason you do not have cell phone coverage, you'd have something as a backup just that you can send a message. And basically all I wanted to do is to be able to let my wife know, hey, I made it to the trailhead okay, gonna go for my ride, so on and so forth. I've heard some different things about how, you know, if you position it at a 45-degree angle, you know, towards the sky, you know, that might help give you, you know, better opportunity to catch the satellite. I'm currently trying that. I'm circling so I can be in different directions. Like I said, it told me on my cell phone that the best position would be southeast. So I've done that, and I still have no connection. I've heard some things on different forums that, you know, you can turn it off, restart it. And one of the problems with that is if I am out and about and I don't have cell phone coverage, there's no way that I'm going to be able to get reconnected to the device. That's one of the issues. Unless I'm missing something. Because I don't believe, well, I mean, if I don't have cell phone coverage, will I, you know what? I'm going to try something because maybe I'm mistaken. Maybe I can connect to this device if I reset it, because it's talking about connecting to Bluetooth. So maybe if I don't have cell phone coverage I can still connect via Bluetooth. So I can give that a shot. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn this off, and then I'm gonna turn it back on. You just probably heard that buzz, that beep. That was it going off. Just turned it back on. Let's power it up. Okay, get that flashing red, telling me that it's not on. Give me a second here. I'm gonna go back to the app. It says I am connected via Bluetooth. Again, satellite direction, southeast. Signal RSRP. Now I'm connected. So maybe that is what it needed to do, because I was under the impression, and what I've been doing is I've been setting this up. When I go home, I turn it on, connect it to my phone so that I'm connected by Bluetooth. And then when I go out and about, it's already set up. So I'm just gonna put this in front of me. You should be able to see this. Now it should be blinking green. There you go. It's blinking green. What do you know? Now I'm not, some tech guru, but I know one thing that usually I have to do if I'm having some internet connectivity issues, whatever it may be at home. You hit that, turn it off, unplug it, whatever, kind of get that reset going, and things start to get going. But I was on a forum today on Facebook, a Facebook group, and this was one of the things that someone had mentioned. Someone mentioned that, if you're having difficulties connecting, turn it off and then turn it back on, and that reset may be what it takes, because this individual has sworn by the device, has had no issues with it. Right now, after turning it off and turning it back on, it's all green. It says I'm connected to the satellite. And I can put that in front of you again. That you'll see a green flash in a second. There you go, showing that I am connected. So I know there's been a lot, I think it's just a matter of understanding how this device works. It seems to be a little temperamental, but I think once you get an understanding of how it works, then that might be the key to this being the device for you. Again, pay $50 for the device, another $59 for a year's long service, 250 messages over the year. I'm not gonna go through that many messages because, like I said, it's very rare that I am losing connectivity when I'm out and about on a ride. So just wanted to come to you as I'm messing around with this, and messing around also with my new DJI Action 5 Pro, and also the DJI multifunction handle with my DJI Mic 2 hooked up to that wirelessly. I'm doing this little vlog, this little mini video, and I've got a new setup for that, as well as, my satellite connectivity device. So I'm gonna wrap it up there, and hopefully this is helpful to somebody out there. The next thing that I'm gonna do is exactly what I just did. I wanna get out on the trail. I wanna make sure that when I'm on the trail that I can get connected to a satellite. That's what I wanna do next. Because every time I've done it so far, I've done it the way that I've done it. I did it today. Turned everything on at the house, get to my location, not be able to connect to the satellite. But I want to try the method that I just used by once getting there, turning it on, and then going from there and see what happens. All right, that's your boy James with a little tech review. Talk to you later.